This is why you need to care about resource scarcity before it's too late. Imagine waking up to find your local shop out of your favorite breakfast cereal. Now imagine millions experiencing this every day. Why? Resource scarcity. It's driving up the cost of food, electricity, clean water, and even basic essentials like eggs. It's not just happening over there. It's getting worse everywhere. Cyclones, like the recent one in Mayotte, devastate communities, but extreme weather, droughts, and supply chain breakdowns are also hitting wealthier nations. Shelves are emptier, prices are rising, and trust in systems is breaking down. Global water demand is projected to exceed supply by 40% by 2030. That means less water for crops, and food production could drop by 23%. Electricity grids are stressed, fuel prices unstable, and even in major cities, families are feeling it. Economic impacts? A potential 8% drop in global GDP by 2050. Poorer countries could lose up to 15%, but no one is immune. This isn't just about numbers, it's about survival and independence. So what do? We reduce waste. We invest in regenerative practices. We start growing what we can, making what we can. This isn't a developing world problem anymore. It's a global one, and it's spreading fast. Building a sustainable, self-reliant home is no longer a luxury, it's becoming a necessity. Remember the toilet paper rush, the price of eggs? Those weren't random shortages, they were warnings. Our resources aren't as available as they used to be. Let's act now, and be prepared for whatever comes next. What's one thing you're doing to become more independent? Drop it in the comments. Let's learn from each other. And if you want to go further, there's a free guide in the description with simple, practical ways to make your home more independent and fully functional.